How to categorize videos on TikTok. So go ahead and open the TikTok application. Go to a TikTok video that you want to add to your favorites. Now, since you can't categorize videos from the favorites tab, we have to tap the bookmark icon to add them into our profile. Then to categorize your videos, go to your profile tab. In this page, you can see the icon with the bookmark as well as an eye crossed out next to it. Here, you can tap on the video that you want to categorize. Tap the bookmark to remove it from the favorites and then tap it again. And when the Added to Favorites pop-up window appears, tap on Manage. This window will appear, and in here, you can create a new collection. Just name your collection and hit Save. Go back to your profile, and next to your favorite or repost tab, you can see these collections. You can click them and then just tap on Manage Videos. In here, you can see and create new collections. So that is how to categorize videos on TikTok. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.